evening.
Good evening. How do you do?
I do well. Tonight we're here to talk about the 2015 Lopez Island Elementary Science Fair and Henry's project. Henry, what's the name of your project?
Ranking rotors.
That's right. And what was the question that you were trying to answer?
Which rotor blade shape generates the most power?
Which rotor blade shape generates the most power? And what was your hypothesis?
Rotor blade A will lift the most weight because of its large, round shape.
And rotor blade A was which one?
This one.
That one there.
And we have B, C, and D.
Okay, you had A, B, C, and D.
This is the inspiration we got from all of them.
Ah, okay, you were inspired. Okay, and what did you do? What were your methods of testing that hypothesis?
I built a wind turbine out of water, bottles, and straw. 2. I cut rotor blades out of paper. 3. I attached nuts to a string that winds around the axle.
Okay.
4. I made wind with a fan. 5. I added nuts until they were 2.
Added some nuts.
A wind turbine to this.
Okay. Alrighty, and what were your results?
Both flat rotor shapes lifted more weight than the modern wind turbine shapes. The farm windmill blade C, as you can see here, is the best. Second best is the round fan blade A, which is my hypothesis.
Okay, so the one you thought was going to be the strongest wasn't the strongest. Okay, and then you graphed your results and put them on that board behind you. Okay, do you want to turn on the fan and show me how this all works?
It would be my pleasure.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, action!
Okay.
And as you can
There
see,
it is.
It went.
Oh, it lifted the nut right to the very top.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool.
It actually lifted 5 nuts in total.
It lifted 5 nuts in total. Awesome. Well, good job, Henry.
Well, 5 nuts and the 6th one, it went up to 2 inches.
What would you do differently next time?
Well, next time, what I want to do is I want to put more propellers and see if it makes a difference.
More rotor blades?
Yes, more rotor blades.
I see. All right. Well, I think you did a great job. And are you looking forward to the science fair?
And also, this is my data.
Oh, those are your
Number
data.
of nuts lifted. Now it goes all the way up to 6, but this one doesn't go all the way up to 6 because it only lifted up to 6 for 2 inches. So we're actually going to call it 5.
We're going to call it 5.
And D and B. B lifted it up with 2 of them. It lifted up to 2 inches, and D lifted up to 4 inches, I think.
Yeah. Cool.
And what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to see why the modern turbines did not work and the flat turbines and this did work, because if these modern turbines are supposed to be the new type, then why are they the new type if they're not the most efficient at lifting weight?
That's a very good question. All right. Well, if anybody can find the answer, you can. Good job, Henry.
Thank you.
Thanks.